Yeah. 16 have
Sir,
joined.
can you tell the extra questions A part answer?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, beta. 16 have already joined the meeting. 17 have joined. Let's wait for a few more to join.
Mine होता है.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir.
Oh, sorry, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, we have to do this question in a notebook.
Good afternoon, all of you. No, beta, not these. So, class 5C, we have had a class today or not? There was no class today, class 5C?
Sir, we had. Sir, we had before.
Had it.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Class 5C, I have no period today. Class 5C, I'm talking about 5C. There are students of 5C and 5B, both the sections sitting here in the meeting.
Yes,
5B
sir.
and C both are sitting here. And students of 5B already had a class with me in the second period today. 5C, they do not have a maths period today, but this is my arrangement with them. So 5C, we have not started the chapter decimals with 5C. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I will quickly start with decimals in 5C, and then we will move on with the questions, the exercise. So
Good
class
afternoon,
5C,
sir.
especially 5B students, please pay attention. And 5C
Good afternoon,
students,
sir.
5B, this is a revision for you all. And 5C, we are starting the chapter again for the students of 5C. I will quickly give the introduction of the chapter and then we will start with the exercise. Keep your mic off. Let me do it. Yeah. So first of all, decimal numbers. What are decimal numbers? I am giving you an example of a decimal number, 24.128, not 128. Let's take 135. So this is a decimal number. Where is the decimal? The decimal is after digit 4. So how do you call this number? 24.135. You cannot call this number as 24.135. This is a wrong way to call this number. 24.135 is wrong. You have to call it as 24.135. Okay. So this is the number 24.135. Now we want to write this number. Write the number in the place value chart. Write the place value chart for the number. Okay. So let us revise this also. You have done in class 4. Place value chart of decimal numbers. So let us quickly start with it. You all know that 2 is at the tens place, 4 is at the ones place. The digits before decimal are written in the same manner like all the other numbers you have done. You have already studied whole numbers, natural numbers. So suppose this is a number, this is a natural number, 463. So here you say that 3 is at the ones place, 6 is at the tens place, and 4 is at the hundreds place. You all know this. This is a normal whole number, natural number. So 3 is at the ones place, 6 is at the tens place, and 4 is at the hundreds place. So in decimal numbers also, the digits before decimal are written in the same manner. Digits before decimal, that means 24. It will be written in the same manner. So at the tens place, the digit which is there is 2. What is the digit at the tens place? It is 2. Digit at the ones place.
Sir, your voice is not clear. It is cutting.
Beta, there must be a network issue at your end.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your voice is not coming now.
Voice
It
is
is
not
coming clear.
Sir,
it is clear.
voice is
Sir,
clear.
it is clear. Sir, it is clear.
Sir, your voice is clear. Sir,
Yeah,
it
so
is clear.
there must be a network issue at your end, beta.
Your voice is
Sir,
clear.
it is clear.
Yeah. So those who are not able to understand, the voice is not clear for them. If it is the case, you can watch the video for this. If you are having any problem, you can watch the video later. Okay.
Sir, now it's clear.
Yeah. There was a network issue at your end. Okay. Don't worry. So the digit at the tens place is 2. The digit at the ones place is 4. Now what happens with the digits after decimal? Digits after decimal. This is the decimal. These are the digits after decimal. What you have to do with them? So the first digit after decimal is called as the digit at the tenth place. Tenth place. TENTH. TENTH. 10 लिखने के बाद आप उसमें TH और लगा देंगे. So this means that the first digit after decimal. What is the first digit after decimal in this case? Tell me.
Tens.
Oh, 100.
I'm asking. My question is, which digit is the first digit after decimal? Look at the number. 1 is the first digit.
One.
And it is known as digit at the tenth place.
Tenth.
TENTH. Then the next digit is known as the digit at the hundredth place. HUNDRED 100. TH. Again add TH. 100.
joining me meeting.
Add TH again. So this is the digit after decimal, 10th place, 100th place, 1 and 3 respectively. And the last digit is
1000.
5. It is known as the digit at the thousandth place. Thousandth place. Thousandth place. 100th place, thousandth place. 5.
5.
Answer point.
Beta, this is the place value chart. In this, you don't have to insert decimal anywhere. This TH written everywhere. This shows that these are the digits after decimal. Okay. Now this is the place value chart. What about the place value of each digit? You have also studied about place values of numbers. So what will you say about the place values of these numbers? What is the place value of 2? this also you have done in your previous class. What is the place value? So I am writing the place
Ones.
values here. These are the place values.
Tens. Sir, it will be 2 upon 10.
Wait.
Tens.
Place value of 2 is 2 multiplied by 10.
20. 20.
Yeah. So 2
20.
into 10 only. You can leave here only. Place value of 4 is 4 only because it is at the ones place.
4.
Now after for the digits after decimal,
Now 1
the
by
place
10.
value of 1 is 1 upon
1 by 10.
Yeah.
1
that
upon
means
10. 1
if
by
the
10.
digits are after
1 by
decimal,
10.
you have to divide, not multiply. For the digits before decimal, you have to multiply. For the digits after decimal, you have to divide. 1 upon 10, then 3 upon 100. Because it is at the 100th place, divide by 100. And finally,
5 upon 1000. 5 upon 1000.
5 upon 1000.
1000.
This was a quick revision of what you have studied in class 4 about the place value chart of decimal numbers. Let us start with the exercise now. Have you all understood? You don't have to note it down in your copies.
Yes, sir.
You don't have to note it down in your copies. In the exercise only we will do questions of this type. So I am erasing it from the board.
Ma'am, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
Sir, if it is 23.65, so what we will write?
65, not 65.
23.65. What we will write about what? You want to write the place value chart of this number.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
We are about to do the same question, beta. Don't worry. This is only what we are about to do. The A question, first part, the number is 23.65. We have to write the place value chart of this number. Tejas Kumar, क्या हो गया बेटा? Yeah. So here you have to make the place value chart of this number. They have also underlined 6. That means you have to make the place value chart for the whole number, and for the digit 6 you have to write the place value. So two things you have to do in the question. First thing, make the place value chart. Second thing, write the place value of 6. Okay. Place value chart and place value are two different things. There is a slight difference. So first of all, the place value chart. You can note it down in your copies. Please pay attention when I am explaining.
Sir, we have to do this question in the our copy.
In the copies, yes, fair notebooks. And please pay attention when I am explaining the question. So 2, the digit 2 is at the tens place. Tens place, then there will be ones place, then there will be tenth place, tenth place, then hundredth place, 100th th, apostrophe s, apostrophe s, 100th place. Okay. So first tens place. What is the digit at the tens place? It is 2. Ones place, it is 3. 10th place, the digit is 6. And at the 100th place, the digit is 5. Got it? Have you all understood the place value chart?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Now
sir.
the place value of
Sir.
place value. Place value of the digit 6 because it is underlined. You have to find the place value of the digit which is underlined. So the place value of 6 is equal to, it is the first digit after decimal, so it is at the 10th place. You can see it
10.
is at the 10th place. 6 upon 10 is your answer. 6 upon
Okay,
10.
sir.
If I ask you what is the
Okay.
place value of 5, what is your answer? What is the place value of 5 in this? If I ask you,
5 upon
5 by
100.
5
100.
upon 100. 5 upon
very good.
100.
What is the
5
place?
upon 100.
Perfect, very good, everyone. What is the place value of 2?
Sir, 2 multiply by 10.
2
Multiply by
10
10.
multiplied by 10.
2 multiply by 10.
Multiplied by 10.
2 multiply by 10.
Multiplied by 10.
Very
Sir,
good.
2 multiplied by 10.
Excellent. 2 is at the 10th place and it is before decimal, so you don't have to divide, you have to multiply. So 2 into 10, correct answer. Start doing all the parts of the question. I am waiting for
Okay, sir.
3 minutes only. I will wait for 3 minutes. You have to do all the parts. After 3 minutes, I will move on with the next question.
National sir.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, it's important to draw the place value chart.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, other question we have to do ourselves.
Sir, other question we have to do ourselves. Sir, other question we have to do ourselves.
Yes, beta, you have to do the remaining parts yourself, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Do all the remaining parts. Only the remaining parts of question A. Then I will explain question number B. Only question number A you have to do.
Excuse me, sir. I am done my work.
I am.
Sir, I am Bhakti Khandelwal. Sir, I am done my work.
You have done your work.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
have also done my work.
Very good.
Sir, we have to do question if 1 to 6 by our
Yes, sorry. Again.
Sir, we have to do the question of
You have to.
A
I'm
part
sorry.
1
Beta,
to
your
6
voice is
by
not
our
clear.
own.
We
Sir,
have
we
to
have
what?
to do question.
Sir, he,
part of A 1 to 6 by our own?
Yes, yes, yes.
हो रहा है तो जा नहीं हो रहा नहीं हो रहा मेरी हेल्प कर दो रोज तक दे दो मुझे पानी पीना दोनों यहाँ पे बैठे हैं मेरी तो वक्त चल रहा है
Have you all done the questions?
Please wait, my only one is left.
Please wait.
Sir, doing. Sir, please wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah, do them quickly.
Sir,
Yes.
सर जो ये लास्ट वाला है सर जैसे डेसिमल में हंड्रेड्स वाला 5
Hmm.
सर सो व्हाई इट्स कमिंग इन हंड्रेड्स
It is the first digit after decimal is known as the 10th place.
ओके सर
This is at the ones place. The
Okay,
first
sir.
digit
Sir,
after
I
decimal is at
understood.
the 10th place.
सर अंडरस्टूड सर आई हैव डन
Okay. Starting
सर प्लीज वेट
with
वन
beta.
Sir, I have done.
Too much time you all are taking.
Sir, I have done.
Good.
Sir, done.
Very good. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, done.
Okay. So starting with the B question now.
Sir, done.
Very good. Before starting question number B, let me explain you something. We are not starting with question B right straight away. See, if suppose there is a number 3 upon 10, you want to convert this fraction. This is a fraction. You want to convert this fraction in decimal. So whenever there is a number in the denominator like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, numbers like this, 10 or 100 or 1000 or 1000, whenever numbers are like this, then how do you convert the fraction in decimal? It is very simple. There is only one zero in the denominator. So in the if when you convert it in decimal, there will be only one digit after decimal. So the answer will be 0.3. Okay, if the number is like this, suppose 43 upon 10, if the number is like this, 43 upon 10, then how will you insert the decimal in this? You will insert the decimal like this, 4.3. Why 4.3? Because after decimal there should be only one digit. So point will be inserted just before 3, between 4 and 3. So this is how you convert a fraction where the denominator is like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. These type of fractions are there. So these type of denominators are there. Then it is very simple to convert them in decimal numbers. Otherwise, there is another method by dividing, which you have not studied till now. So this is the way to do it. Let me take another example. 67 upon 10. So this will be
Sir, 6.7.
6.7. Okay. If suppose it is, now who is going to tell me 73 upon 100?
Sir, 0.73.
Sir, 7
7.73. 7.73.
7.73.
0.73.
0.73.
Okay. I have taken your answers. Okay. Enough. I have taken your answers. Now there are two zeros in the denominator. So the number of digits after decimal should be 2 because it is 100 in the denominator, it has two zeros. So after decimal there should be two digits. 0.73 is the answer. 0.73. Got it? So tell me the answer in this case. 97 upon 100.
0.97.
0.97.
0.97
0.97.
or 0.97
0.97.
are the same thing. If I want, I can insert a zero also, or you can simply write 0.97. Both are correct. You can write zero also.
we are doing with
0.73 or 0.73, both are the same thing.
we are doing this exercise
Okay, next one. Next one.
It's B.
7 upon 100.
0.7.
07.
0.07.
Okay, enough.
0.07.
0.07.
Okay. Taken your answers. Because
0.07.
number of zeros are 2. In the denominator, there are 2 zeros. So there should be 2 digits after the decimal. Then after decimal, there should be 2 digits. So this should be 0.07. You have to insert a 0 on your own because after decimal, there should be 2 digits. Now there are 2 digits after decimal. You have to
Service
insert
said like this only 07.
Yeah, correct. 0.07. You can also call it as 0.07. Both are the same thing. 0.07 or 0.07. Same thing. Next one, 845 upon 100.
8.47.
8.45.
8.45.
8.45.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, we have to write this question in a copy.
No.
Okay,
It
sir.
is only to explain you. Okay. Next one. 73 upon 73
Sir,
upon
please tell how to do of mixed fractions.
upon 100. 73 upon 1000. 3 zeros.
073, sir. 073.
0.073.
Very good.
0.073.
Very good.
Sir, 073.
0.073. 0.073 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 0.073.
Yes, sir.
Because there are 3 zeros in the denominator, so there should be 3 digits. So there were 2 digits
845.
already there. 7 and 3.
Yes.
So one digit you have to insert a 0 and then write it as 0.073. Have you all
Sir,
understood how
these
to do this?
exercises we have also done in fourth, sir. The thing I was saying that we converted decimal into a whole number, sir, that was this only.
Okay, very good, very good.
Sir, do we have to copy these questions in our notebook?
No, beta, no.
No.
Okay, now let us start the B exercise. The numbers which are given are mixed fractions. B exercise. First part. You don't have to answer now. Let me explain. You will not answer. 4 whole 1 upon 10. Now, how to do this? You will write the number which is at the whole numbers place, the digit which is at the whole numbers place, you will write it first, 4. Then 1 upon 10, you have to convert in decimal. So 1 upon 10, there is only 1 0. So 0.1. 4.1 is the answer. Second one. Mics off. Mics off, all of you. Keep your mics off.
Sir, can we start doing?
Wait. 16 whole 7 upon 100. We have understood how to do this.
16.07.
16.
Sir, 16.07.
2 zeros are there,
16.07.
therefore 0.07. So answer is 16.07. Do the
Sir,
third
I
and fourth
understood.
part on your own. Third part and fourth part, do them on your own.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, in second question, we can put point after 1 also.
1 also, nahi. 16 is the whole number. It is not in the numerator. 16 is the whole number, so you have to write it like this only. The number is not 167 upon 100. This is different. This is something else. And 16 whole 7 upon 100, this is something else. These are two different numbers. So 16 is the whole number. You have to write it separately. Yeah, do the third and fourth part now.
Sir, third part's answer is 613.48. Sorry, 48.
Sir, fourth is
Very good.
36.2, I think.
Good.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, please explain me first and second. Sir, we have to do only 4 questions.
Do tell only question number 4. Six, 1, 3, whole 48 upon 100. This is your
Sir,
question.
please explain me first and second as I left the meeting because of network
But
connection.
I am explaining you this one. You will understand first and second. It is 613 whole 48 upon 100. Please pay attention on this part. Even then, if you have problem, you can always watch the recording. Okay, so please pay attention. You will understand. I know you can easily understand the first and second if you pay attention on this. So 613 you will write as it is. Now only thing you have to do is here convert 48 upon 100 in decimal. So 48 upon 100 in decimal is 0.48. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Fourth part of the
Sir,
question.
fourth one answer is 36.2.
Very good. 36 whole 2 upon 10.
Yes,
That
sir, my
is
one
equal
is
to 36.2. This is
36.2.
your answer. This is the answer. I think we won't be able to do the fifth part because I will have to explain it. So we will do the fifth part in the next class. Not
Sir,
much time
done
is
till
Okay,
left.
fourth.
sir.
The meeting is just
Okay,
about
sir.
to end.
only 4 minutes are left.
Only few seconds are left, not minutes. Because the class will get
PP.
over at 1:10.
110.
Yeah, the class will
1
get
minute
over at
is
1:10.
1 minute is
Not
left.
much time is left.
A few seconds are left.
So we
Sir,
will
I
do the
think
fifth part
tomorrow is
in
your
the next.
period in our class. So, sir, our B question of fraction is left 8.2 exercise. So, we will complete tomorrow.